Hello, students. Deidre Davis here, your critical thinking instructor at Ross, and I'd like to go through the week 2 discussion assignment. As you know, as you look on the page, you'll see that the instructions for the discussion assignment are to the left of the steps. Please make sure that you read those. You need to respond to a minimum of 2 of your fellow classmates. Which will exceed expectations, but I also want you to make sure that you're sharing more than I agree or I like what you say. We really do value what you have to say about the topic that we're discussing and studying this week. So please make sure that you're engaged. And if you'd like to add a YouTube video that reflects what we're studying or an additional article, please do so. Let's go over the steps for the discussion week 2 assignment. You're going to identify an article in the news media that makes an argument, preferably one you don't agree with. Then answer the following questions. And I know we did this last week. We're going to do it again this week. And these are the questions. They are slightly different, and they reflect, or I should say, you're going to need to reflect back to the assigned chapters for this week. It will provide information that you need to complete this assignment. I have provided a few links where you can locate articles in the news. You're welcome to use those links to find an article that you like, or you can use the virtual library, or you can simply find an article on your own. But remember, it is a news article that makes an argument, and it should be an argument that you don't agree with. And the questions you're going to answer are as follows. Is the source of the claims made in the argument credible? Is the content of the claims credible? What rhetorical techniques does the article employ? Be specific. Are there any visual images in the article? If so, what persuasive aspects do they employ? And can you identify any logical fallacies? Briefly discuss them. Tell me what they are. Now, as you read your chapters, go to the home page, go down to the discussion, and that's where you're going to find this video. But below this video, I've provided some additional resources where you can find the information you need in the chapter. For example, what does credible mean? You can find the definition in your assigned chapter. What would be a credible claim? What about rhetorical devices or rhetorical techniques? Visual images and logical fallacies. You won't be able to answer this without going into the chapter readings and doing a bit of studying. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Remember, you are to respond to a minimum of 2 of your classmates. Please make sure that you do that. I look forward to seeing you on the week 2 check-in board. Don't forget to check in tomorrow if you can, and the discussion board.